We just released catfish in here from Copenhagen. You guys might not be able to see that, but you probably can actually. Right there. There's a catfish chilling right there. There is 2 more. Oh, yeah, there's another one right near him. The glare is probably pretty bad for you guys.
Well, now we can actually see what we're trying to.
But,
And this is legal. Totally.
So there's just 2 of them right there. They're chilling.
Alright, and you're asking us to do how long, because I totally forgot.
Yeah, one right here. He's going up there.
Alright.
Where's the 3rd one?
My dad said on my way home now. That's from Copenhagen, so I think I've got a couple.
Alright guys, randomly after stalking catfish in here, new species, just caught a creek chub right here in the worm. That's cool. Just caught a new species. Gonna release this guy. Alright guys, so that just made us pretty pumped. Just caught a nice creek chub, maybe some type of sucker fish possibly. But what we were originally trying to do is check on the catfish, see how they're doing. We just found some earthworms in the forest and we're just trying to fish for them. I just caught a white sucker, so white sucker fish. I was just putting on a new worm on his, but yeah, we might end up turning this into a series, backyard creek fishing. Didn't even know there was fish here. They redid this creek behind my house about 6 months ago. Oh, I saw that. I saw your rod bend. And then they turned it into a pretty nice creek. It used to be just barely anything. Go! Oh.
I gotta dig up another.
Alright, I'll update you guys when he catches a fish. Alright guys, Josh just caught this little pumpkin seed sunfish right here. It's a nice one. I didn't even know there was any sunfish in here. I didn't know there was any fish in here other than the catfish that we sucked. So that's a thumbs up.
Alright, can you
And we'll just catch some more fish. Got one. Alright, Josh is fishing now. Might as well get a worm. We have 3 fish on the board so far. We're really attempting to catch a catfish because we want to see how they're doing. If they're doing healthy. I know it's only been a day, but you know, we're just trying to check on them, see how they're doing. If they're thriving in here. Oh, that's that maggot thing.
You guys give me wait, here, can you find another worm?
Trying to find a worm. Oh. Alright, we got the worm on for Miles. He's gonna go fish now. This is just amazing. I didn't know there was actually fish around my house. My house is literally like right there.
I mean, this is storm water.
It's not, yeah, it's like kind of runoff water. It is some clean water. It looks really murky right now. Miles trying to fish. Alright, just caught this nice pumpkin seed. Seems to be a lot of pumpkin seeds in here. Not many actual bluegill, but still species of sunfish. So.
We need a catfish.
Get this guy off the hook.
Throw him back in.
Okay.
Tied up onto a smaller hook because Josh broke off once and then got a smaller hook on here. Catch smaller fish. Alright guys, just caught this minnow right here. Oh! Nice minnow, and Josh just caught a nice sunfish over there. So,
Wanna take a look?
yeah, nice. Let's go over there and check out his fish. Nice, beautiful pumpkin seed.
Yep.
Nice one.
I'll take a picture.
Alright, whoa! Miles just caught a sunfish.
Tiny.
What is it? Let's see, this is a nice one. It's a pumpkin seed again. Still got your worm. Oh! Nice pumpkin seed. Do you want to release him or do you want me to release him?
Does he have a spiky spine? Then you re-release him. Say goodbye.
Another one that's like number 6 or something. Oh, green saltfish, nice. Alright guys, I didn't think it would be a terrible idea just to take a little dip. It's probably almost 75 degrees out here today, and it is hot. So this isn't the pond where almost all the fish are. Almost all the fish are in this pond, so we're not gonna disturb them. It's also very humid out. So, took everything out of my pockets. We're gonna take a little dipsy. Ooh. Little chilly, It's probably in the, probably mid-60s, I'd say.
Oh yeah, Josh, this is nice. I
That's
thought there
chilly.
was fish in this one, Harrison.
Probably is. Probably some crayfish, probably
That's
some
like
salamanders. That's pretty chilly, I gotta say. All right, guys, got another one. Nice creek chub right here. Got him in the earthworm. Another fish, guys. Another green sunfish. Got it right in this pool. We're gonna transfer him to over there. Got another fish, another green sunfish. Snagged him a little bit, but he was trying to go after it, so I couldn't even snag him in here if I had tried, because like if I was trying to, because the water's so murky. But he was trying to go after it, so got another one. We'll put him in the rest, where the rest are. All right, guys, got another one of these white sucker creek chub looking things. Another sucker fish type guy. Oh, okay. Well, yep, there you guys go.
All right. So we got all these fish. Let me show them. Put it down. We got these fish.
There's one dead one there. You didn't survive.
I don't know how many other ones there are, though.
There's about 4 other ones.
All right, we're about to transfer them into this pond.
That we're stocking.
Yeah. So give me a minute.
Really?
Ready? Now let me come over here then. Oh, that's one. I don't know where the other ones went.
Nice. Stocking this one. Got a ton of fish over here, 40 plus for sure in here. All right, guys, so basically right now, we're gonna feed the fish that we've stocked in this pond. We're digging from here and pretty much any other dark, moist places, and we're just putting them in this shovel right here. We got some decent ones in there right now. And then we're gonna just chuck them in. I'll show you where most of the fish hang out. So there's this like little deep little pocket thing right here. Right here in this stump, it's some structure, some leaves and stuff in there. They can hide under. There's a lot of rocks over here too, so it's kind of in between the flow of going into the air and coming out from here, so it's just a good like little tide pool for them to hang out in. All right, guys, we've just gotten all the worms here. Josh, show me the camera. In the shovel. All those worms. 3 snacks for these guys over here. Chuck them in. Don't just kind of like.
All right.
3 snacks. Oh, they're already eating it.
They are?
Yep.
Can't see it, huh?
Wait, I need my sunglasses on. Oh, yeah, I see some sunfish and some little chub things going after it. They're probably too hard for you guys to see, but I can see them. A lot of the minnows are going after them, though.
Oh, I see it.
Nice. All right, so we got round number 2 of these worms right here. Got about 20 plus in here. Check them out.
I don't think it. Just like closer to the stump, not as far out.
I'm gonna do this.
See where those 2 bubbles just came up?
I'm gonna spread it out like this. I want to see if I can see them eating it. That worm's going crazy. I don't currently see any big ones. You guys probably can't see it. There's too much.
Are any fish going after them right now?
I don't see any this time. The minnows for sure, but a lot of the minnows, but not really any huge fish. Oh, there's one sunfish. I saw one right there. But yeah, that's about it. So update you guys on the next feeding, or if we catch another fish. All right, so we are delivering the second load of fish in here. You got
Should I do it lightly? Like let
one
them.
sunfish
I'll
and
do
a
one by
couple
one.
No, let
chubs.
them go down.
I'll do one by one.
Oh, I was gonna say let
One
them
by
go
one
down
of
the
fish.
rocks.
So show the camera.
Oh my gosh,
when
it's
you
so
get one.
cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cold probably.
Try to get one.
Let's see. He's got one sunfish right there. Nice.
Sunfish.
Oh, sorry, chub. Throw him in. There goes one chub. Let's see here.
Oh, I just.
Let it slide down the rock.
He has got.
Oh, I just had a sunfish. Another one.
What is that? Chub. One little chub. There he goes.
So cold.
One little sunfish right there. Throw him in. Nice.
Go. Jeez.
Oh, I just.
Last one.
No, 2 more.
Well, I get both your hands dirty. All right, one little chub right there. Nice. Throw him in. There he goes.
Last one.
Last one. It is a little chub right there. Throw him in. Bye-bye. Oh, there he goes. I can see him.